Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 14 and we are going to learn how to make tulips. So first we will see the materials required to make our tulip. We need a we need a starched satin cloth. This is a starched cloth I have. Then what we need is shape. This is the shape for a tulip. Here it is heart shaped, here it is inside, and these are the measurements I have given. I need 6 cuts of this. You can draw a shape and cut it on a thin cardboard paper. Then I have thick thread, thin thread, floral tape, a pair of scissors, a plier, and pollens, flower making wires, and a handkerchief. Why handkerchief? We will see that later. Now I will keep everything aside. I'll put a picture of this where you can properly see. Okay. Take a starched cloth. On the back side, not on the shiny side, on the back side of that cloth, place this shape and draw it with the help of a pencil or a pen or whichever you are comfortable with. Yeah, I have drawn the shape. Now I have to cut it. Cutting should be very fine. There should be curves and not squares. I'm done cutting the shape. It should be heart shaped like this. Yeah, okay. Now the next step is we'll prepare for the molding. Okay, so here what we do is take the tissue paper or the crepe paper or tissues which we use for wiping the hands. So those tissue papers, and take a piece of wire. If the wire is bent, just make it straight by pressing on it. Apply Fevicol. Or any gum you can use for draping this tissue paper on the wire. Any gum you can use, any glue you can use. I am using Fevicol. So yeah, just drape the cloth like this. This much is enough. Now what you have to do is take the shape and the heart shape up and the pointed part down. Heart shape up and the pointed part down. Apply same glue or Fevicol. And stick this. Press gently. Hold it for some 10-15 seconds. And now keep it for drying for some 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, yeah, now this is properly stick on the petal. So take the handkerchief, this is freehand molding. What we do here is take one corner of the handkerchief, place the petal like this, the open end towards me and the folded end towards the corner. Yeah, I am showing this in all the videos of me. So you have to place the hand like this. You have to place another hand, this part, on the petal very tight. Pull this corner, and take one half circle. Holding the petal tight, take one half circle. Yeah. Well, it is not come that properly. It should come on the entire leaf. I'll do it again. Yep. So open this. See how it is. It's same like we make leaves, the freehand molding looks like that only. Yeah, okay. So I need 6 leaves, sorry, not 6 leaves, 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now next step is take one wire, fold it into 2, take some pollens, drape the green tape, yeah. Okay, now we will see how to make the petal. Now what we have to do is take this, we have to tie it here inside. The pollens on the inner side, not on the outer side, inner side. Use the thread, use the thick one. And tie the knot. 1, 2 more petals. We have one inner circle and one outer circle. So the second one. Now second one should start from the back side of the first one, covering that. It should cover, yeah, like this. Again tie the knot. Yeah, so we have seen this is covering one another. And now the third petal, same, it is starting from the back side of the second and it will cover the third one. Yeah. Tie the knot, drape the thread, yeah, let us make these petals proper. Because we have wired them, we can just bend them the way we want. So we can just pull them out like this and like this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now 3 outer petals, same on the joining sides. One petal here, the joining of first and second, like this. Joining of first and second. Take the thread and tie it. Yeah. Take another petal, same. Take the third petal and complete the circle. And arrange it like this. So you can always open this if you want to arrange it again, and you can do like this. Yeah, and arrange it properly. One, the inner ones, inner one, and the outer ones. Drip the floral tape. So this is my tulip made out of satin cloth, starched satin cloth. You can make some 5 to 6 tulips like this and make a bunch of it. Thank you for watching. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.